Hey there, this is Lula West Lux. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. I said after my last video 2 weeks ago that I was done uploading for 2024, but I lied. I'm back with a very quick little unboxing. I was fortunate enough to meet up with a few of my friends who are also on YouTube. We spent a wonderful afternoon in Princeton, New Jersey last weekend, and we all bought a few things when we were at Hermes, and we also had a beautiful, lovely afternoon tea at the Peacock Inn. It was so nice, and we got a champagne flight with our afternoon tea, which just made it extra special, and it really helped set the mood for the holiday season. For today, let's dive into it. As I said, I spent the afternoon in Princeton with some beautiful women from YouTube. You probably already know them. Dawn from the channel Dawn Loves Couture, Yota from the channel Yota Style, and Eva from the channel Fuchsia Floyd. We all got together for a really fun afternoon in Princeton last week, and we did a little shopping. So I'm going to unbox what I have here. Definitely check out all the other ladies' channels. I'll have their videos linked down below so you can see what else they got. They got some really beautiful pieces. And yeah, I guess let's get into it. I actually have two pieces behind me to unbox. One here is in this bag. We're going to start with this because this is what I bought when I was in the store. The other piece was mailed to my house. They didn't have my size in store, so they shipped it to me. Let's start with this one. First of all, we got a few samples, which was absolutely lovely. So we'll start with that. And then I have the box that I opened, but it's not wrapped, so I won't show you. And then inside we just have the receipt, and that's it. So let's take a look at these samples. It was so nice that she gave us a few fragrance samples, the sales associate in store. So I have a sample of Oud Azalon, and I have tried this before. I really like this. I'm not really into ouds. They're a little strong for me, but I do like this one. So if you're ever in store, definitely see if you can get a sample of this one. I think it's worth trying out. And let's see, I have another sample, and I'm not sure what's in here. It's two other fragrance samples. We have H24 and Eau de Citron Noir. So I have not tried these. Yeah, actually, I think H24 I have tried. But that was so nice that she gave us some extra fragrance samples. I love those just to keep in my purse, or they're also great for traveling as well. And going along with the theme of my samples, I did get a fragrance in store. So we'll open it up, and I didn't notice this before, but I did get a really beautiful Christmas ribbon with this. It says Hermes, and it says Merry Christmas, and we have the sleigh with the reindeer in front. How cute is that? I love this. So we have the special ribbon, and I got the Barénia fragrance. I'm really excited to try this out. As you can see, it's still wrapped in the plastic, so I've only tried this in store. I haven't worn it yet since I got home. Let's open it up. And what I love about this too is this is a refillable bottle. So I did get the small size of the fragrance. This is the smallest size. This is 30 ml, which is 1 fluid ounce. I like to get small bottles of fragrances because I don't go through them very quickly. So that was why I went with the smallest one. I also wanted to really try this out at home before I purchased a larger bottle, because sometimes when you try it in store, you don't really know how you might like the fragrance over the long term. So here is the bottle, and you can see the top is inspired by the Collier de Chien. And let me read you the fragrance notes. And this is on the Hermes website. They say that the Barénia Eau de Parfum blends butterfly lily with the delicacy of the miracle berry, enveloping them in oak wood with an intense patchouli. And they describe this fragrance as warm and sensual. And let's see, we'll give it a little spritz. Oh, I really love this. I think this is a great, I sprayed a little bit too much on my wrist. This is a great winter fragrance. I really, really love this. So I do plan on using it for this time of the year, and we'll see how it goes, how I like wearing it over time. So I'm really excited to use this. And if you have the Barénia fragrance, comment below and let me know how you like this. So this was my first purchase, and the second purchase I got was a piece of jewelry, and as I said earlier, they didn't have my size in store. So the sales advisor ordered she ordered the correct size for me, and this was mailed to my home. So I just got it a couple days ago. And again, you can see we have that Christmas ribbon. I really love that so much. And let's open this up. I'm really excited for this piece. Let's put all the ribbon back there. And we can open it. A little tissue paper. I really love the box for this. I don't have any fine jewelry from Hermes. I have a couple pieces of their fashion jewelry, and I'm so excited to get this. So we see the white box with Hermes on top, and we'll open it up. There's this stamp on the inside, and I got the Chandon ring in silver. This is so pretty. They had really small sizes in store, so I did have to order this to have it sent to my home in my size, in my ring size. And I did buy this to fit on my ring finger. It fits on my ring finger on my right hand. On my left hand, it fits on my middle finger. So I do plan on wearing this. My wedding set, which I don't actually wear every day, but my wedding set is in white gold, so I wanted to get this in silver so I can match the same metal as my wedding set. And here it is on my left hand. It is a little loose on my ring finger, so I would probably wear this on my middle finger on my left hand when I have my wedding set. And I don't normally do this, but since I knew I would be showing my nails in today's video, I did also want to pull out my nail polish. The dark berry color is Angora Cardi, and then I just have some silver sparkles over my ring finger on each hand. So I have that. Oh, and I did pull out, in honor of today's small Hermes unboxing, my Hermes makeup that I'm wearing today. This is the blush, and this is actually the one beauty product from Hermes that I actually really do like. It's in the color 45 Rose Ombre. This is the blush, and then I do have on their lipstick as well. This is color 21 Rose Épicée, and I've been using this a lot as well. So typically I don't wear a lot of Hermes Beauty. I did buy some to try it out when the line first launched. I don't really purchase a lot of Hermes Beauty, but I do have some, so I wore that today. And yeah, this was my purchase from Hermes. Here's another look at the Chandon ring, and it just goes all the way around. It has the, I believe it's called the Mariner chain, or the Mariner link. And I just love this as a beautiful everyday piece. So that was my purchase, the ring and the Barénia fragrance. So I just thought I would hop on here really quick to show you these two items that I picked up, and definitely go check out Dawn, Yota, and Eva's videos to see what they purchased. You can also see a little bit more of their visit because I do believe the other ladies vlogged a little bit on the trip. I didn't, but definitely go check out their videos for some vlogs, some sightseeing in New Jersey and the Philly area, and also to see what they got. With that, I am now officially not uploading any more videos until January, so wishing everyone a happy holidays and a happy new year, and I'll see you in 2025. Bye-bye now.